Girls housemate at tila pinagchismisan nga daw itong si Fiyang. Paano ba naman mga ka-DJ sa kanilang usapan ang topic lamang nila ay si Fiyang. At mukhang hindi nga ito nagustuhan ng mga ilang netizen dahil ang nag-open nga neto ay itong si Jazz na tila humahanap nga daw ng kakampi. Dagdag pa nga lang netizen mga ka-DJ, pwede naman niyang sabihin ng concern niya direkta kay Fiyang. Ngunit ichinismis niya pa daw ito sa ibang girls housemate.
Hindi naman yun. Kasi may kita din ng mga tao kung totoo ba or hindi.
Yeah.
So you don't have to prove to her or like to any sa amin ng mga housemates.
Yun yung sa isip ko din na maybe I'm also, you know, this is something that I can prove to her in the later, like to prove to her na they're really genuine good people. So sabi ko lang, tapos ikulat na sabi niya, huwag ka man, wala, ganyan naman talaga siya. Depends how, it's a two-way thing. It depends on how you open up to me also. Like, are you ready for me to the right person also to talk to her na kilala ko yung right person. Kasi I'm usually that person, di ba, na kinakausap ko because may ano na siya sa akin. So whatever I say, she's gonna take it against me and she's not gonna listen to me. Even if good intentions yung ano ko sa kanya, she's not gonna take it ganon. So, kaya sabi ko, when I talk to like a person, kasi I have to think of their mental capacity, emotion like that. Like, you have to think about it. Nakausapin ko to siya. Will it also help her? Will him, like, will he or she listen? Am I someone na he or she will trust?
Pero like,
Ganon,
do you
yun, as
believe
in,
na she's teachable? Pero,
I feel like everyone is. It's just a matter of, would she want to be? That's coming.